Hello, hello. Welcome back to Around the World Kitchen. It's Paul, and today we'll make a banana bread. Everyone has a favorite banana bread recipe. I just want to share the one I enjoy. I got a bunch of bananas. I got 4 bananas that have somehow escaped my little toddler's mouth because he adores bananas. And my wife and him adore banana bread, and it's a perfect breakfast or snack just to feed them when we can. So let's get started. So like I said, banana bread is super simple. First thing you're gonna do, get your oven preheated to 350 degrees so we get all the other stuff done. The recipe down below is gonna be for 1 loaf of banana bread, but I always like making 2. For this, for 1 loaf, you will need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, a whole stick of butter or half a cup of butter melted that we're gonna go get melted. You need some vanilla, some brown sugar, I have somewhere, some baking powder, and flour. Super simple. If you want to jazz it up, add some chocolate chips to get it, or you want to make a really good one, add some frozen blueberries. But I'm just going to keep it nice, simple, and easy for them. Dope. So first thing first, we're going to get our bananas taken care of. Get them all mashed up. 1. And 2. I am doubling the recipe, so I'm gonna add 2 more bananas real quick. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a fork and you're just gonna mash them up, get them all nice and mushy. Now we got our eggs all beaten. We're gonna add in our butter. Just use a measuring cup. I'm just gonna use a little less butter for today, so we'll do 1/3 of a cup of butter, of course doubling, so I'm gonna do 2/3. Get that. Get the butter all mixed up in there. And we're gonna get our baking powder and a little bit of salt for seasoning. So we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then just a pinch of salt. Do a pinch of salt. That all mixed. Then we're gonna crack in 1 egg. If you want to, you can pre-beat the egg, but I like for this one just not wasting any other bowls and just doing it all in one. Just gonna crack up the egg, and then we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do 3/4 cup of sugar. If you want a little less sweet, you can do 1/2 cup. I'm gonna get 1 whole cup in for myself. And 1/2 cup. And then the final ingredient, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour. And then we're just gonna stir this and get everything nice combined to make the batter. Okay, we got it all nice and beat up. Everything mixed together. So we're gonna grab our loaf pans and then we're gonna grease them up. You can either use baking spray or you can use some butter. You get some leftover butter, just mix it all in there so our stuff doesn't stick. And we're gonna just nice and simple pour our batter in. Try to get evenly as possible. This all spread out. Get a little bit in there. Okay. So we got it all mixed in. It's looking wonderful. So we're gonna get this in the oven. Now, oven's preheated. We're gonna let it cook for about 55 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees. We'll get it all in there. We'll see when it's done. Ooh, there we go. Oh, they smell so good. I've already picked them with a toothpick. They've come out clean. Make sure that after 55 minutes to pick it to make sure it's fully done. If it comes out with crumbs or still wet, let it go a few more minutes, but mine came out perfect. So we're gonna let these sit for about 5 minutes and then let them out and let them sit on a wire rack for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just let them cool down. But oh, these smell really good.